Hey guys, in this video we're gonna talk about WhatsApp. Sometime our install button screen is not working, like our touch screen is not working. It's working on cancel, it's working on other stuff. So yeah, we're gonna solve about this. So please watch all the video, and so to learn a bit. Like if you have some doubt, you can just comment down below. Okay, then let's start with the video.
Turning this on, going thing.
Okay, coming to the video, see, I'm like kind of that, like the other stuff are it's working. Okay, like, so I try to press the install button, but it's not working. But when I try to press the cancel button, like it's working. So actually, usually, like, why it use, okay, next is also not working now. Okay, so the reason is that because the main reason is if you have any apps downloaded of like screen auto screen dimmer or something, like just uninstall it, because of that they create a screen layer, so which doesn't allow our touch. So in this case we're gonna just dim the light. To go to the setting again, and like if any, go to application manager. Okay, so basically why I did this was I have to force stop it because this was running on my background. So you can check it out, any of the app which is running in your background which make a layer. So just I was running A to Z recorder before, so I have to stop that, just force stop it and then try it again, like installing again. So after that, when you press it, it will work. Okay, thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day.